Hi guys, how's it going? Maitresh here with a new video on Mighty Moto. So today I've got a really exciting parcel from NMW Racing, and this is the first time I'm ordering something like this. I've never gone this in depth into like modifying a bike. I mean, it's not that much, but it is quite a bit for me. This is the first time I'm ordering something like this. So yeah, I got the NMW Racing high-rise camshaft, which basically like it gives your your valves a longer duration, which in turn lets in more air and fuel into the engine, and obviously it's race kitty approved as always. And I got high tension clutch springs, so hopefully the clutch also feels a lot better, and I'm really curious to see what this does. It looks like it's machined like really well, and the bearings feel really nice. Wait, I'll take it out. Maya, you like this? You like this? You like the cam? So this is a cam, guys. It says for CBF 150. So I'm going to the mechanic now, and this video is not going to be like the previous video where I do the installation and the review in the same video. So this is only going to be the installation video. I'm going to the mechanic now, and yeah, I'll catch you there. Bye. We are at Ozone Bike Point with the owner of Ozone Graphics. Say hi, Faisal.
Hi.
Hi guys, so me and Kanakesh came on a ride, and today is the day I'm testing out the Xpulse with the new camshaft. I have been riding it for a few days with the new camshaft, and it feels like completely different. The bike feels very new in a way. Like it has a different power band. It's lost lot of torque from like 4500 rpm, and it's gone to like 6500 rpm. So now the bike opens up a lot later, and I think that will help because now like with the higher duration of the cam, like the longer duration of the valves, I think more fuel and air will be able to get there at those higher rpms, because now it's revving to 12,000 rpm. So today I'm not gonna be showing you all what the actual difference was between like the stock one and the camshaft, but what I'm going to be doing is like giving you all a teaser by like ripping the bike on this road, and it's a really nice road. We came flying now.
Yeah, we almost did like nice corners.
Yeah, the corners are very nice. One day we'll like you wear my this thing, the GoPro.
Okay.
We'll take video.
Yeah, but it was a nice warm-up session before the video.
Yeah, we got the tires warm, and we did what, like 3 kilometers.
Yeah.
Fine guys, so check out this clip. I'm going to be trying to go, as much as I can on this road. Let's see how it goes. Check out the sound. I feel it sounds very different, and the bike opens up at like a higher RPM, so it feels more like throaty. It sounds throaty. It sounded any different coming
Yeah,
now?
it sounded more like gruntier than it was before.
So Kanku is gonna ride the bike. Launch it, launch it. I can literally hear it from like, I don't know, he's probably like 600 meters away, 500 meters away. That's so cool. What did you think of it, bro?
I feel the throttle response of the bike is changed, and then the way it responds to the gear changes when you go up and down the gears. It feels like much quicker. There's no spot such as like there's a deficit spot in power. It's always on the power band, as in when you shift it up and down the gears, and it.
But only after 7000 RPM.
Yeah, but you don't actually come down below 7,000 RPM or 6,000.
Did you
RPM.
feel it rev up like mad, like after 10,000?
Yeah, it usually used to like rev up till 9,500 or 10,000. Now it does like even more. I guess probably.
Bro, the best part is the Dominar was little suffering, no? You had to hit rev limiter. You had to rev the Dominar to keep up with the Xpulse.
Yes, definitely. The Dominar
at least in these roads.
Heavier side than the Xpulse. Xpulse is more lighter, and with this rally kit, it feels like you can go with no terrain, all terrain, and every possible.
Okay, so for this road, do you wish you still want Dominar or you want
no,
the
for
Xpulse?
this road, I like the Xpulse more than the Dominar.
Thank you,
even though I
Kanakesh.
own a Dominar.
Dominar sucks.
Yeah, I know.
So guys, I'm back home. I hope you all liked watching me and Kanakesh rip the bike. So in the next video, I'll actually show you the performance difference, like from the stock cams to the big cam. And what I really wanted to talk about was the mechanic bhaiya that helped me out. His name is Abdullah, and he owns Ozone Bike Point, which is in Singasandra, and he really did a good job. And he taught me like steps of like what I have to do to actually change the cam, and like what changing the cam makes a difference, like how it actually puts your valves up higher and like gives you a longer duration. So he installed it very professionally, and he told me that and he taught me a lot of things through the process. So you all should check him out if you want to get your bike service or something. I'll leave his shop's address, Bike Point, in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.